Hi guys, let's join me on this song. And I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to Maestro Allen Valedor Pascua for sending me this beautiful backing track. Day by day I miss you so, you had to go my love, with a ship so far away.
You told that you will return before the autumn comes. Every day I dream of you.
In my dreams are little seagulls flying through the timeless night, searching for some teardrops in the waves.
With a ship of lonely lovers I sail over 7 seas, try to find the captain of my heart.
I sailed over 7 seas to find to your heart. I sailed through the darkness night. Oh, I sailed to your heart.
I sail over 7 seas to find to your heart. I sail with the winter night, oh, alone in the dark.
I don't fear the stormy nights, and I don't fear the cold, all because I miss you so.
In the distance I can see the island of my home. Oh, I like to be with you.
In my dreams are little seagulls flying through the timeless night, searching for some teardrops in the waves.
With a ship of lonely lovers I sail over 7 seas, try to find the captain of my heart.
I sail over 7 seas to find to your heart. I sail through the darkness night. Oh, I sail to your heart. I sail over 7 seas to find to your heart. I sail